Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to find the locations to buy the new lantern in the latest Visit update. First, make your way to the Fisherman Island, and once you arrive, just look around the island and head to the sides, and then just head to the lantern lantern shop over here. Just follow my path over here, lantern shop. This is the new spot added in update where all the lanterns are displayed. Just tap on talk and then just view store, and like this you can see different types on lanterns over here. It's with its own look. And then next you can purchase any lantern using your coins. No quest required. Just make sure you have enough coins before buying. And okay, maybe that's it. Now you know where to find and buy the new lanterns and face it. If this helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.